Come test drive the 2014 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, power sunroof, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar Communication System, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.